Welcome to the second video of Marco Polo, who has told about Tamil land of 13th century. Translation of Marco Polo travel notes in Old French by Henry Yule consists of various details of Tamil land in chapters 16 and 17. Among those notes, today we will see what he had told about horse rearing in Tamil land. Here are no horses bred, and thus a great part of the wealth of the country is wasted in purchasing horses. I will tell you how. You must know that the merchants of Kis and Hormuz, Dhofar and Sower and Aden collect great numbers of destriers and other horses, and these they bring to the territories of this king and of his 4 brothers, who are kings likewise, as I told you. For a horse will fetch among 500 sagi of gold, worth more than 100 marks of silver, and vast numbers are sold there every year. Indeed, this king wants to buy more than 2,000 horses every year, and so do his 4 brothers, who are kings likewise. The reason why they want so many horses every year is that by the end of the year, there shall not be 100 of them remaining, for they all die off. And this arises from mismanagement, for those people do not know in the least how to treat a horse. And besides, they have no farriers. The horse merchants not only never bring any farriers with them, but also prevent any farrier from going thither, lest that should in any degree balk the sale of horses, which brings them in every year such vast gains. They bring these horses by sea aboard ship. Another strange thing is that they feed their horses with boiled rice and boiled meat and various other kinds of cooked food. That is the reason why all the horses die off. And another strange thing to be told is that there is no possibility of breeding horses in this country, as hath often been proved by trial. For even when a great bled mare here has been covered by a great bled horse, the produce is nothing but a wrecked rye-legged weed, not fit to ride. With this, we will meet again with another note of Marco Polo about 13th century Tamil land. Until then, thank you for the support.